Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the design on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the look or design of Asana. Maybe you want it to be a bit more colorful, or maybe you want it to change it to dark mode. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto Asana. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, you're going to go ahead and click on the profile icon of where your name is. Then click on Settings. Then from here, go ahead and click on Display. So you have this option here as drop-down menus to change the theme to a light or a dark theme, or you can sync it with the system settings. With a light theme, you could actually change the bars to gray or black. With a dark theme, you can only keep it dark like that. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the design of Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.